So here we have the Mate 20 Lite. It is coming in at £379. It is a 6.3 inch Full HD Plus screen with a 7.9mm thick body. We have 4 AI cameras, so on the front, which you can't quite see at the moment because of the lighting levels. We have a 24 megapixel camera plus a 2 megapixel camera for focal length and depth of field. On the back, we have a 20 megapixel camera and a 2 megapixel camera, again for depth of field. The 20 megapixel camera is RGB. Give me a wee second, I'm just going to turn the flash on here, if it will let me, which it's not. Okay, we'll make the amend. The unique features about this really are the fact that it is very much focused on selfie. However, we do have AI assistance on the camera. It is a beautifully slim device, and you've got your fingerprint sensor on the back now, which is a change from the previous generation, with your dual lens there as well. Glass back panel. Internal specs, you're looking at 4 gig of RAM, 64 gig of memory, expandable to 256. And on-screen buttons, you're also looking at Huawei EMUI 8.2 version, which has got a lot of cool features, but I'm going to be honest with you, I will show you them in better lighting conditions. It feels like a really nice phone. For a 6.3 inch device, it's not too big, it's quite usable in the hand. And I'm really excited to have a closer look at this in some slightly better lighting conditions. But this will be going onto the market very, very soon. And you'll be able to pick one up from your local Carphone or also your Vodafone store. So this is Gary signing off from coolsmartphone.com. Please follow our YouTube channel on Cool Smartphone, and also hit us up on Twitter at Cool Smartphone. Thanks very much, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.